So scared to get a Brazilian wax? Because there's a difference in being scared and not caring to get one at all. If you're scared, always make sure you read those Google reviews when you're looking for a place. The testimonials of other people definitely helps make your decision. And then from there, you can go to that waxer's Instagram. You want to make sure that their personality is there for you. The energy, the vibes are there. And if you like what you see, of course, inquire, book that appointment. Now, you can always start off by just doing the bikini line, taking your time, baby steps. Don't feel pressured to wax everything off. If you feel like the bikini line was a breeze, that's where you can tell the waxer, hey, the next time I come in, can I do a little bit more? Your waxer is going to make you feel super comfortable. They'll talk about aftercare with you when you need to come back, etc. So make sure you just have that moment where you say YOLO and you go for it.
This bit here at the top of the pubic mount can be the most strongest part of the hair. So it's thick. It's only coarse, and it can be very, very stubborn. So what I would suggest, if they've definitely been shaving and the hair is really long, because it's quite normal to find people get a little whippy effect where it swells here at the top, put it out and trim it. First thing to do is get rid of any excess head that you don't actually need. The thicker it is there and the longer it is there, it's more likely to get matted on that top line when you stop your works on that labia strip. Second thing you can do is lay your works a little bit thicker. So when you go to apply, you would want to be nice and firm and push it into all of them hairs first of all. But if I was to leave it like there, and I felt like as if actually hang them if there's some support there, then I'd go back and once I'm happy with the bits that are in the hair and layer it is that little bit thicker to give me some strength behind my strip. By doing there, it's just giving me some more support, so when I go to pull it off, I feel like it's gripped until them hairs really well. It's really important when you have applied your wax in this area, hot wax isn't left too long. Once you leave it too long and you've left it too much to call, it can actually become brittle snap. So it's going to snap at the point where there's most great bouncing back, and that's on that little bit here at the top of the labor because the hair is the thickest point there. So you want to make sure you leave it at the right amount. Spray it with a little bit of your pre-wax cleanser, like a mist, just to help it stay. And then once it's fully set, then you're ready to go. I would go when you know that it feels nice and hard, there's no warmth in it left, and pull it straight up. If you feel if it's a bit tacky still when it goes to pull it, become not true in garment, it will also pull and tuck here and break, so you'll end up with hair that's caught in wax at the top also. Once you have to get it set, you want to get your handle, stretch that skin nice and tight. The more it support it and stretch, the easier it will get the grip when you go to pull, and it will keep it more comfortable for your climb, but also make you exaggerate that pull. So when I say handle, pull, the reason I say quick is because we want to get nice and firm. We want to exaggerate our pull beyond wherever that strip goes, because it would stop it. If you hesitate and think you pulled enough, it will dangle here attached to the last few heads where there wasn't enough support. So stretch, handle, quick pull. Make sure it's quick hand placement after, because if you're not quick, it will get left dangling on the bit that you don't want it to be.